you need to get paid for the work that you're doing, and you need to, in a nice way, right? Like we all want to be nice, we all want to be helpful, but Chelsea runs into this as a recruiter. There's a fine line between you being nice and helpful and collaborating and you going well into 5 chapters of your job, right? Without any agreement in place. Because if you give people an opportunity to take your stuff for free, they will. So this is where we want to spend, until there's a contract executed, we want to spend all our time talking about their problem, their current situation, and the capabilities that they need.
Hey Dad, what's an easy way for salespeople to make a lot more money right now?
I got you, and I got you. It's to learn how to close. It's the simplest thing that I teach, and people that know how to close, boom, they start making a lot more money. And I'm gonna pay $300 for you to learn how to close right here, right now. It's the closing mini masterclass from me, from Easton University. I'm gonna give it away to you for free right now. Click the link, and I will send you the closing mini masterclass for free. You're gonna make a lot more money. They're gonna make a lot more money. You're gonna make a lot more money. I want you to take it too, all right? We'll see you on the other side. Grab the closing mini masterclass.